I just turned this one single product photo into a high converting video ad in under a minute. Most AI video tools generate pretty clips, but this new tool Zawa is designed to generate actual marketing content. And this is a very important difference. So today we are testing Zawa AI and we're going to see if Zawa AI can actually build a full video strategy from just one image. First, let me just show you this ad.
If you've been looking for that lit from within glow, I found it.
This is the Luna Daily Hydration Cream. It's so incredibly lightweight. It absorbs instantly and leaves no greasy feeling, just pure hydration.
Trust me, your skin needs this.
There are plenty of examples where I just gave it one single image and it created high quality ads. Just have a look at all of the ads that it generated from one single image.
Centuries in this frame. My skin is so dry and dull. Try this daily hydration. Now this is a masterpiece.
Now remember, I did not film any footage, I did not hire any actors, I did not edit anything. Everything you're seeing came from one product image. And the structure of the video feels like a real creator would actually publish. The reason actually these results look different is because of a very specific philosophy, because most AI video generators are solving the wrong problem. They focus on fancy effects or cool animations, but if you are trying to sell something, none of that matters. Here's the core difference. So to start using Zawa AI, all I had to do was just like look for Zawa AI on Google, Zawa AI, and then you can just open this website, or you can just click on the link in description and open Zawa AI directly. The interface here is straightforward. You get mainly two options. One is generate video and one is remix video. So today I'm starting with this generate video option. The workflow is fast because you're picking a content strategy, not just a style. Now next you can just upload your product images. It can be any sort of images. You can just like take those images with your phone, or if you have a mock-up that you designed using AI, you can just like use that as well. Just like upload your product images as many as you can. Make sure to upload multiple angles for better results. So I have just uploaded these two different images for my product. So this is one angle and this is a second angle. Next you can just choose your target market and language. In this case I'm going to choose North America, and in case of language I'm just going to choose English, and also I'm going to choose the video format. So in this case I'm just going to choose an Instagram reel, and also I can write about the product, that what we are selling, what makes it special, and how it is used, who it is for, and where they would use it, or just let AI writing do it for us, or we can just like use this AI writing option and let AI write this content for us. So I have just provided this description, and now I'm just going to choose a video type. In this case it will be a product showcase. You can create maybe an AI commercial or maybe a UGC style video. What I really like here is that you're telling Zawa AI exactly who the video is for. You add your selling points and then you choose your formula. Also choosing the right video topic is also really important. Like UGC style video is for organic reach and AI commercial is for paid ads, or maybe this product placement option in micro dramas. You can choose this video type if you want something that actually stops the scroll. These are not just visual styles, these are proven content formulas. There are like 8 different formats in total. I will link the full list below, but the formats that actually surprised me most were these UGC style videos and also this micro dramas format. This particular format is honestly one of the most entertaining ones. So let's just test this particular one. So I have already provided all of the details, and now I can simply just click on this generate a 15-second video ad. So now what it will do, it will just like go through all of the details, it will understand our custom options, and then it will generate a micro drama style viral format video. And in just few minutes our video is ready, and just have a look at the results. This is really impressive, and honestly if someone sent this to me as a client deliverable, I would definitely accept it. And that's the bar that I was testing against. Now let's try a completely different formula. So in this case we are going to use the exact same product images, but the video type will be a UGC style video. So I have uploaded both of the images, and now I'm going to choose the target market and language, which will be North America, and then English, and then Instagram reel. This is the video description, and now I'm going to choose the video type to UGC style and then click on generate. And now as you can see we have the exact same product, but we're going to create a completely different style of ad. And there you go, in just few minutes our ad is ready, and I generally didn't accept this from the same product image. This one I would actually watch and use it in actual ad. But the most important thing here is that we're not changing the product, we are basically just changing the creative. Now there is one more feature that I wanted to show to you, which is video remix, and this is literally one of the smartest ideas on this platform. Here you can just again upload your product images, then you can provide a reference video. You can just maybe upload a video file, or you can just provide a link to that video. You can upload a TikTok link, an Instagram link, or maybe YouTube link, and even a Facebook link as well. Like if you're just scrolling randomly on your phone and then you suddenly found a viral video, all you have to do, just copy that URL, then paste that inside Zawa AI and ask Zawa AI to then remix that video for your product. All you have to do, again, you can choose your target market, you can again provide your video description. All these things are similar to what we already have done. I have already provided the video description, and now I can simply just just click on this remix the viral video, and now it will just like understand that video. This video is actually from YouTube, so I found this video, I like the overall style, so that's why I just like copied this URL from here. I also uploaded the photo of my product and then simply just clicked on the generate viral video, and now it is going to generate this video for me. Now this is not a copy, this is not a clone. The same underlying formula applied to your product. So Zawa AI basically recreates a creative logic for your product. It does not copy that ad, it does not clone that ad. It gets the inspiration from the reference video and then it implements and recreates it for your product. And to be honest, that's incredibly useful for just testing the ideas. And the proof is in the results. If you're a creator, a marketeer, or a small business owner, the ability to turn one product image into multiple video concepts is genuinely useful, especially when testing products, ads, and social media content. Most AI tools generate clips, but Zawa actually generates a marketing content. Instead of just making a video, it creates a specific asset designed for a platform, like a TikTok or an Instagram reel, using proven marketing formulas. For example, just have a look at a typical e-commerce seller. They often have a great product, but they're stuck because they can't afford a $2,000 production for a 15-second ad. And that's the scenario that Zawa is built for. You are not just uploading a file, you're basically automating a production team. And the fact that new users can actually generate a video for free, that makes it easy for you to try it yourself. So if you want to check it out, I will leave the link below. If you have any further questions about Zawa AI or about AI video generation in general, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.